Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Snapchat account without an email or number. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. And on the browser, you want to go to this specific site, which is going to be help.snapchat.com. Again, help.snapchat.com, just like that, and it's going to take you to this page, which is going to be the help center right over here. And now simply go ahead and tap on my account is compromised, or you can also tap on I can't access my account. Then you want to simply go ahead and look for the problem that you're facing right over here. So let's just say I forgot or can't access my email or phone number. Now down here, you want to simply tap on reset your password, and it will take you to change your password page right over here. So it is as simple as that. All you need to do is enter your email, or you can also enter your username if you forgot that, as I mentioned, and tap on next, and then you can simply go ahead and reset it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.